Ever look at an image and think, if only I could? If only this background was cleaner. If only this sky was more dramatic. If only this lighting was softer. Traditional editing? Hours of painstaking work. Complex tools. A steep learning curve. What if you could skip all that? What if you could simply tell your images what to do? Introducing Phedra AI. The AI-powered design graphics application that understands your images like a seasoned pro. Phedra AI dives deep into your image, analyzing every pixel, understanding its context, its composition. And then? You simply tell it what you want. Change backgrounds. Adjust lighting. Alter colors. Add elements. All with the power of your words. Add _circle. Phedra AI isn't just about speed. It's about creative freedom. Explore new possibilities. Experiment with styles. Generate variations in seconds. No more tedious manual adjustments. No more struggling with complex tools. Just stunning results, faster than you ever thought possible. Phedra AI has revolutionized my workflow. It's like having a design team in my pocket, ready to experience the future of image editing. Try Phedra AI today. Design with words.